Welcome guys to this channel. So today I will teach you heap sort algorithm, which is an important sorting algorithm, and we will cover this heap sort in two parts. So this lecture is fully dedicated to part 1, and next lecture consecutive to that will be on part 2. Okay, and those who want to learn some basic steps related to divide and conquer strategy, they can refer my previous videos. And also we will cover in this video and next to this video some previous year gate questions and analysis of this particular algorithm. So let us start. So this is heap sort. Okay, so we will start from we are starting from very basic things. Okay, so first of all, if the almost complete binary tree or otherwise complete binary tree. So I already told you what is almost complete binary tree and complete binary tree. So those who don't know, they can refer my binary trees video. Okay. So that is previous video, maybe a couple of lectures before. So if the almost complete binary tree or complete binary tree contain n nodes, okay. So if this particular complete binary tree or almost complete binary tree में अगर n nodes हैं, then number of levels कितने होंगे उसमें? Levels है ना, will be log n, always log n. Okay, this is an important property of almost complete binary tree or complete binary tree. n nodes हैं तो log n. तो ये मैंने derive भी किया था, so you can refer the binary trees video. Okay, so now first, what is heap tree first of all? So heap tree is an almost complete binary tree satisfying heap property. It's called heap tree. So first of all, heap tree is always an almost complete binary tree and which is satisfying some heap property. So what is heap property? So let us discuss. So there are two kinds of heap, max heap as well as min heap. So this is max heap and this is min heap. So what is the difference? So the max heap property says an almost complete binary tree in which root is maximum as compared to its children at every node is called what? Max heap. So almost complete binary tree. Let us suppose this is 40. This is suppose 50. This is 49, and this is 48. This is 15. This is 25, and this is what? Let us suppose it is 12. Okay. So you can check that each and every node root is maximum as compared to its children. 50 is maximum 40 or 249 and 48 और 49 भी है ना, बड़ा है किससे? 59 25 से, similarly 40. So this is an almost. So what is almost complete binary tree? कि हम वन बाई वन फिल करेंगे, पहले लेवल वाइज और लेफ्ट टू राइट करेंगे. तो लेवल वाइज भी किया है, लेफ्ट टू राइट. Okay, so it maybe it almost complete binary tree or complete binary tree. So similarly, min heap. Min heap is also an complete, almost complete binary tree in which root is minimum as compared to what? All as compared comparing with its children at each and every node. Okay. So let us take as an example like 12 over here, and this is, let us suppose, 25 and 15. Okay, and 40, and this is some sort of 49 and some, let us suppose, 50. Okay, so this is min heap. So why it is min heap? Because root is what? Minimum as compared to its children at each and every node. Okay, आप किसी भी नोड पे देखेंगे तो रूट अपने दोनों चिल्ड्रन से क्या है? बड़ा है. 12 is less है ना, min heap smaller है. 12 is smaller than 25 and 15. Similarly 25 is smaller than 40 and 49. Similarly 15 is smaller than 50. Okay, so this is what, let us suppose it is also having right child also, some sort of 57. So it is also applicable, na? So it may be almost complete binary tree or complete binary tree. So I hope that this min heap or max heap is clear to you. Okay, because in order to understand what is exactly heap sort, So firstly we are supposed to understand what is a heap tree, or heap tree means min heap or max heap. Okay, so an almost complete binary tree which is satisfying some heap property. And what is heap property? If it is min heap, then at each and every node, the node is having minimum value as compared to its children, or otherwise, in case of max heap, so the at each and every node the root is having maximum value as compared to its children at each and every node. Okay, everywhere. Okay, so now let us solve some question, then it will be very much clear to you. So construct max heap tree for the following keys. Insert one by one. So firstly 10, so 10 is coming, so 10 will be inserted. Okay, fine, no problem. Then after 10 what, 20, so 20, so 20 will come to, because almost complete binary tree हम level wise filling करेंगे. तो पहले लेफ्ट पे, अब ये मैक्स हीप नहीं रहा, तो मैक्स हीप नहीं है, तो मैक्स हीप प्रॉपर्टी क्या है कि रूट ग्रेटर होना चाहिए, तो इसको क्या करेंगे हम, इंटरचेंज. तो जब इंटरचेंज करेंगे तो ये यहाँ आएगा, ये यहाँ आएगा. सो देन यू विल गेट व्हाट, 20 and then 10. Okay, fine. Next value coming is what, 30. So 30 will be inserted to the right side. ओके, एंड 30 क्या है आपका, बड़ा है 20 से, रूट से, तो मैं अकॉर्डिंग टू मैक्सी प्रॉपर्टी वायलेट हो रही है. सो देन वी आर सपोज टू इंटरचेंज दिस ओवर हियर एंड दिस ओवर हियर. सो फाइनली यू विल गेट व्हाट, 30, then 10 as it is, then here 20. Okay, fine. Next value is coming 11. So 11 I will insert from left to right, because next level left to right, so 11 will be here. Now it is violating what, maxi property. तो ये 11 का करेक्ट प्लेस क्या है, इसके, है ना, और इसके फिर अब तो स्मॉलर ही है, तो ये यहाँ आएगा, दिस विल गो देयर. सो फाइनली यू विल गेट व्हाट, आफ्टर दिस स्टेप right side is same, 20, and left will be 11, and then left of 11 will be 10. Okay, so I hope that this is clear up till here. Now next is 55. So see what will where the 55 is to be inserted. So 55 will be inserted right to 11. So right child to 11 will be 55. Okay, now 55 is greater, so this will be replaced with 11. Okay, its parents, because parent must be greater. So finally what will happen, uh, let me draw here itself. So it is 30 and it is 55. Okay, and right side is 20 and left is 10 only, and right to 55 is 11, interchanged value. Okay, fine. But here again one problem, that 55 is also what, greater than 30. So again one more swap is required, so this and this will be swapped. So finally you will get what, 55 as the root node after this step, and 30 will be the left child, and 20 will be the right child, and left to 30 is 10, and right to 30 is what, 11. Okay, so I think now it's okay. Now next value is coming value is what, 1. So 1 will be inserted level wise, अगर हम जाएंगे तो 20 के left में, so there is no problem. Okay, because still it is what, max heap. Now next is what, 65. So in case of 65 what will happen, 65 will be inserted over this particular point. So 65, now there is a problem, this is not a max heap. So it will be swapped with 20, because parent is smaller, parent must be greater, so like this. So what will happen, that this is 55, and after 55 left child is what, left child is 30, and right is what, right will be 65, and then left will be 10, and this right of 30 will be 11, and left of this 65 will be what, your 1, and the right of 65 will be your 20. Okay, but still there is a problem. This is not on its correct place. So here problem है ना. So now just interchange this. So if you interchange this with parent, so finally what you will get? You will get 65 as the root node, and left must be 30, and right to 65. Right to 65 is what? 55. Okay, 55 and 65 keys will be interchanged, and remaining all are same. So it is 10, this is 11, this is 1, and after that right is what? Right is 20. Fine. So now you can check that all the elements means maximum value at each and every node as compared to its children. Okay, now what is the next value? Next value is 15. So 15, where you will insert next level. Okay, so 15 you will insert next level means left to 10. So 65, 30 and 55. 65, 30 and 55. This is 10, this is 11, this is 1, and what is remaining? It is 20. Okay, fine. So what will be the next value? 15. So 15 will be on the left. Okay, according to almost complete binary tree property. Okay, now there is a problem. So what is the problem? Problem is over here. So because this is greater than its parent, so just interchange. So only one swap is required. So this and this part. So what will be the resulting tree after this? So drawing again and again. It will take some time, but anyhow. So 30, and this is what? 50, and left of 30 is what? Now interchange value is what? 15, and its left will be interchanged also 10. And what about right? Right is 11 only, and this is 1, and this is going to be 20. Now it is okay. Okay, at each and every node it is okay because it is having maximum as compared to its children. Now next element to be inserted is 25. So as soon you insert 25, so 25 will be inserted right to this particular place. So 25. So 25. So there is a problem, okay, at this node because this is having greater value. So this will be go there, and these value will be interchanged. So finally, what will be the resulting tree after this step? So it is 65, then it is 30, then right is what? Right is 50, then left will be interchanged value. So it is 25, left is same, it is 10, and the right value as interchanged, so it is 25, not 25, it is 15. Okay, 25 and 15 heads interchanged. 11, and this left is 1, and right is what? Right is 20. Okay, anything else? Yeah, 20, 33. So what about 33? 33 will come over here. 33. So it is very much evident that this will come here, then this will come here. So this will be there and this will be there, like this. Okay, so what will be the resulting after this step? So resulting tree will be here 65, and left of 65 will be what? 33. Okay, and then right is what? Right is 30, right is going to be your 30, and the left of 30 is what? 11. So this path completely changed. After this, left is also same, so 25, and left is this 10, and right of 25 is what? 15. So it is same, and right part is also same, it is 50, and left is 1 and 20, so it is 1 and it is 20. Okay, yeah, so I think it is okay. Yeah, of course. At each and every node, value is greater as compared to its children. Now, what is next value? Next, the last value to be inserted is what? 40. So, what about the 40? So, 40 will come over here. Okay. So, what will happen in this case? That this will go there, this will go, and like this part will be changed. Okay. According to the maxi property. So, now let us draw the final tree. So what will be the resulting tree after this? So resulting tree will be 65 as a root node. Yeah. Left is what? Left is 40 finally, 40. And 33 and 30. So right is 33 and right side is what? 30. Okay, and left of this is what? 11. No change. And left of 40 is what? 25. So it is 25 and 10 and 50 left, right? 10 and 15. And right of 65 is what? Same, no change. So it is 50 and left is 1 and 20. So it is 1 and it is what? 20. Okay, finally you can check that this is what? This is the final maxi. This is the final maxi. Final maxi. So you can check at each and every node value is greater as compared to its children. 65 greater to 40 and 50, 40 is greater to 25, है ना, and 33, 50 भी बड़ा है 1 and 20 से, 25 is also greater, 10 and all the values are, है ना, at its exact location. Okay, so this is about max heap. Now construct one more max heap, insert one by one, so that it is clear to you. So first value to be inserted is what? 10. So 10, no problem. After 10, next value is what? 20. So there is a change. So what is the change? Change, the problem is at this particular point. So this is having problem. So because it violates max heap property. So now just draw the resulting tree. So the resulting heap tree, min heap tree is what? Not min heap, it is max heap tree. So it is 20 and this will be 10. Now next is 30. So here 30, again here is a problem because it is not max heap. So where the problem arises, this particular point. So this will go over there and this will come over here. So finally what will be the resulting max heap after this? So resulting max heap will be 30 and left is 10 and right one is what? 20. Okay, next is what? 40. So as soon you insert 40, so 40 will be left of 10. So what is the problem? The problem is it is not max heap. So now just convert this to max heap. So compare to parent. So parent is less, that's why one swap is required. And after one swap, one more swap because parent is less. So that's why like this. Okay. So what will be the resulting tree? So the resulting tree is uh, finally 40 will go at the root node and left side is what? Left side must be 30 and left of that is what? 10 and the right of 40 is what? 20. Okay, now next is what? The next value, coming value is your 50. So 50, where is the correct place to 50? So 50 will come over right to 30, but it is not a maxi. Now it is not a maxi, तो इसको maxi में convert करना है. So how to convert? Just check, compare to its parent. So parent is है ना greater, so इसका correct place यहाँ है. उसका फिर parent भी उससे less है, correct place यहाँ है, तो ये value यहाँ आएगी and this will be interchanged over here. So what will be the tree after this step? What is max heap? So the final max heap after this step is 50 is root and left is what? Left is your 40, and left is same 10. 30 is right to 40, and 20 is right to 50. Okay, now next value to be inserted was 60. So just do it on next page. 50, 40, 20. So it is 50, 40, 20, then 10, 30. 10, 30. So सेम केस मिन हीप में भी होगा, मैं मिनिमम मेंटेन करना है. अब नेक्स्ट क्या है? 60. So 60 will be inserted left to 20 according to ACVT, that is almost complete binary. Now just check. So 60 is greater, that's why the correct place is this, and 60 is also greater to 50. Correct place is this, and this will come here, and this will come here. So what will be the final tree after this step? So the resulting tree is massive trees. 60 will be at the root. Left is what? Left is 40, and its left and right is 10 and 30. No change. 10 and 30. And right side is 50 and 50, and left to that is what? 20. Okay, fine. So the next value to be inserted is what? 70. So what about 70? 70 is to the right of 50 according to almost complete binary tree. Now the problem is what? Here the problem is at this particular point. The problem is at this particular point, and here the problem is at this particular point. So its correct place kahan hai? Above, और उसका भी correct place, because 70 is also greater, and this will come here and this will come here. So finally, what will be the resulting tree? So the final max heap after this particular step is what? 70 will be at the root. Left is what? 40. Right is changed to 60, and then after right of 60 is what? 50, and left is same. So what is same value? 20. Left right is 10 and 30. So this 10 and this 30. Okay, so this is the final maxi, final maxi. Okay, so I hope that this is clear to you. Okay, and max heap is required in a lot many places, like max heap or min heap, because at the runtime or dynamically, if you want to allocate some sort of memory, so then there is always a need of what? Heap. Okay, because it takes less time as compared to insertion and deletion. So because number of levels कितने हैं इसमें almost complete binary tree में within nodes log n. तो अगर हमें मैक्सिमम अगर हमें कोई इंसर्शन किया या डिलीशन किया, तो हमें हीप प्रॉपर्टी को सेटिस्फाई करना है, तो कितने लेवल्स तक जाना पड़ सकता है? लॉग एन लेवल्स तक, है ना. सो दैट्स व्हाई इंसर्शन एंड डिलीशन विल टेक लॉग एन टाइम इन केस ऑफ मैक्स हीप और मिन हीप. Okay, so one more question: the minimum number of interchanges needed to convert the following array into heap with maximum element at its root. So what is the meaning of that? Maximum element at root means max heap we are supposed to create. So max heap. So number of interchanges required. Okay. So first is what? 89. So let us do it manually. So 89. Then number of interchanges count karna hai. So next is 19. So no interchange. Next is 40. So no interchange. Next is 17. So I think, yeah, no interchange. Then next is 12. Yes, no interchange. Then next is what? 10. So 10 के case में भी it is max heap only, and in case of 2 also I think it is max heap. Yeah, max heap only. And in case of 5, so 5 के case में, yes, again max heap, no problem. In case of 7, 7 यहाँ आएगा, so it is again a max heap, no problem. 11, so in case of 11 also it is max heap. And in case of what, 6, in case of 6 again it is max heap. Let me draw it one more time. Okay, so that it is very much clearly visible. 89, then 19, then 40, then left is what, 17 and 12, 17 and 12, and then 10 and 2, so 10 and 2, then 5, 7, 11, 6, 5, 7, 5, 7, 11, 6, no problem at all. And in case of 9 also, so there is no interchange, and already it is a maxi. But as soon you insert what, 70, so there is a clutch. Okay, so 17, in case of 70, and here one problem is there. So in case of 70, it is not a maxi, so correct place is this one. And also 70 is greater to 40, so correct place is this one. Now come 70, 70 is less than, so no problem. Means how many interchanges required? Number of interchanges required is 2. Minimum number of interchanges 2. So what will be the resulting tree after this? After this, the resulting tree is what? Here 89 and 19 and 70, 19, and this will be 70 now. Okay, and 17, 12, same values, 17, 12, and left is 5, 7, so it is 5 and 7, 11 and 6, so no problem, 11 and 6, and left to 70 changes to 40, you know, this is 40, and right is same, no problem, left is also same, no problem, and right is also interchange, so it is 10. So finally number of interchanges, number of what, interchanges, number of interchanges is what, 2. So finally 2 number of interchanges required. So this is about what, creating min heap or max heap, anything. So we are doing it one by one and inserting. Now so few questions which decides the complexity. So what will be the time complexity to insert an element into max heap that contain n element? So number of levels जितने होंगे, n elements के max heap में कितने levels होंगे, log n, because it is an almost complete binary tree. So अगर इसमें insert करना है तो maximum हमें कहाँ तक जाना पड़ सकता है, maybe की जो last हम element insert कर रहे हैं उसको top तक ले जाना पड़े, because maybe it must be it may be the case that वो सबसे बड़ा एलिमेंट हो, तो हमें log n levels को क्रॉस करना पड़ सकता है. ठीक है, तो इंसर्शन के लिए व्हाट इज द टाइम रिक्वायर्ड? सो द टाइम रिक्वायर्ड टू इंसर्ट एन एलिमेंट इनटू मैक्सी ट्री और मैक्स ट्री, मैक्सी min heap tree or max heap tree which contain already log n levels required what, log n time. So this is the time complexity. Okay, now what will be the time complexity to delete an element from min heap or max heap tree which contain already n elements? सो द अमाउंट अगेन, सो बिकॉज अगर आप मैक्स हीप और मिन हीप से डिलीट करेंगे, सो डिलीशन कहाँ से होगा, रूट एलिमेंट से डिलीशन होगा. ओके, सो डिलीशन के केस में एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा, तो लॉग एन लेवल्स तक आपको एडजस्टमेंट करना पड़ सकता है. तो अगेन हियर द मींस इंसर्शन एंड डिलीशन, ऑल द थिंग्स into max heap or min heap will take worst case time complexity as log n, because number of levels are log n. And one more interesting thing which is important with respect to min heap और max heap, कि जैसे हम डिलीशन करते हैं, तो जैसे मैक्स हीप है, मैक्स हीप में हम डिलीशन करेंगे तो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू डिलीट होगी, टॉप पे मैक्सिमम है, तो डिलीशन टाइम मैंने बताया log n है, ठीक है, और बिकॉज आपको एडजस्ट तो करना पड़ेगा एनी हाउ, और अगर आपने इंसर्ट किया तो इंसर्शन भी टाइम कितना है, log n, और सपोज लेट सपोज मिन हीप है, तो मिन हीप में आपको मिनिमम वैल्यू आपको log n टाइम में मिल रहा है। बट अगर आप सिंपल एरे के फॉर्म में देखें, तो एरे अगर आपके पास आपने मेंटेन कर रखा है एज अ डेटा स्ट्रक्चर, तो एरे में मिनिमम वैल्यू फाइंड करने के लिए आपको एक एंटायर एरे दी हुई है एन एलिमेंट्स की, मिनिमम वैल्यू फाइंड करने के लिए आपको कितना टाइम लगेगा, ऑर्डर ऑफ एन। बट मैक्स मिन हीप अगर है आपका, तो मिन हीप में मिनिमम एलिमेंट आप फाइंड कर लेंगे जस्ट बाय सीइंग द रूट एलिमेंट, मिनिमम होगा, बट उसको एडजस्ट होने में कितना टाइम लगेगा, लॉग एन। तो अल्टीमेटली वी कैन सी दैट मींस मिन हीप में से डिलीशन के केस में मिनिमम वैल्यू डिलीट करेंगे तो मिनिमम वैल्यू आएगी, तो मिनिमम वैल्यू फाइंड करने के केस में कितना टाइम लग रहा है, लॉग एन। सिमिलरली मैक्स हीप के केस में अगर हम मैक्सिमम वैल्यू चाहिए तो एक एलिमेंट डिलीट करना पड़ेगा, सो इट विल आल्सो टेक व्हाट, लॉग एन टाइम। Okay, so to implement some basic algorithms of some CPU scheduling algorithms like priority based algorithm, तो हमें प्रायोरिटीज की जहां बात आती है, मिनिमम मैक्सिमम प्रायोरिटी चाहिए, तो वहां हम किसका यूज करते हैं, मैक्स हीप और मिन हीप डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स का यूज करते हैं, प्रायोरिटीज उन फॉर्म में मेंटेन करते हैं, ठीक है। तो अगर स्मॉलर नंबर प्रायोरिटी है तो मिन हीप मेंटेन करेंगे, और लार्जर नंबर वाली प्रायोरिटी है तो मैक्स हीप मेंटेन करेंगे, because the time complexity is what efficient in this case, log n, okay, as compared to the array implementation, because array में order of n आएगा, इसमें log n आएगा। So I hope that this is clear and a very easy task, okay। So to create a max heap with n elements, so what is the time required, so first of all let us see first element के लिए, फर्स्ट एलिमेंट के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा, सो इट इज log of 1, ओके, बेस 2, बिकॉज log n लेवल्स हैं, तो है ना। सिमिलरली सेकंड के लिए कितना लगेगा, सेकंड के लिए, सेकंड एलिमेंट के लिए भी log बेस 2। सिमिलरली अगर आप जाएंगे तो nth एलिमेंट के लिए, बिकॉज ओवरऑल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स आर देयर व्हाट, n, सो n एलिमेंट के लिए, n एलिमेंट्स, तो n एलिमेंट के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा, इट विल बी log n बेस 2। so this is the total time, so what is the total time required, so just add these values, so you will get the total time. So the total time is what, log base 2, and here I am using this formula, that log m plus log n equals to log of mn, okay। So this is log 2 and multiply with 1 into 2 into 3 and up to n, so 1 into 2 up to n is what, n factorial, so it is log 2 and this is n factorial. So what is n factorial, n factorial means n raised to the power n, because in a worst case, you I think you are getting this, है ना, in time complexity analysis or analysis of the time complexities, so factorial means n raised to the power, worst case में n time लगेगा, so this is what, n raised to the power n, and finally you will get what, n log n. So here I am using one formula, that is log m raised to the power n equals to what, n times log n. So this is the identity which we are using. So n log n. So this is nothing but the time complexity to insert n element into the max heap. So order of n log n. So what is the final value? So this is the time complexity. Okay, to create min heap or max heap. Okay. So this is the time complexity. Okay, to create min heap or max heap with n elements, so required order of n log n time, because हर एक एलिमेंट के लिए इंसर्ट करेंगे आप तो log n time, so n times n log n time. Okay, this way you can derive this. Okay, now one interesting thing which I supposed to tell you, that let us suppose this is a min heap tree. Let us suppose 10, 20, 30, and this is 40, 50, and 60, and what, 70. Okay, so if you see the array implementation of this, what is the array for this? Like this. So it is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70, like this. Okay, and what about indexes? If you see the indexes, so index is always like it is 0, or let us suppose it starts from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So these are the indexes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. ओके, सो अगर हम यहाँ ऑब्जर्व करें तो किसी भी नोड आई का पेरेंट क्या होगा? सो व्हाट विल बी द पेरेंट ऑफ नोड आई? सो पेरेंट ऑफ ith node. So parent of ith node will be floor of I by 2, floor function of I by 2. Okay, so this is except root, because root node का तो कोई parent होता नहीं है. So let us check this, is it working or not? So for example, let us suppose here we are taking example parent of let us suppose 7, parent of 7. So it is how it is coming, 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 is what? 7 by 2 is 3. So see, this parent of 7 is what? Parent of 7 is 3. So this is the parent of 7. Okay. So similarly like this. Okay. So two important thing, left child and right child of ith node. So left child of ith node. So left child is always 2 multiplied by I. चेक कर लीजिए, फर्स्ट नोड का लेफ्ट चाइल्ड क्या होगा? 1 इंटू 2 2, सेकेंड का क्या होगा? 2 इंटू 2 4. सो दिस सिमिलरली. ओके, और राइट चाइल्ड क्या होगा? राइट चाइल्ड मस्ट बी 2 इंटू आई प्लस 1 ऑलवेज. ओके, so in case of array implementation all these things will work effectively. Right child of ith node, so it is what? 2 times I and plus 1. So this is the right child of ith. Just check anyone, like right child of 1, so 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3, so 3. Right child of this is 3, so 3 into 2 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, so this way you can get. So these are few important formula with related to your tree, है ना, which you are implementing in array data structure, whether it is a max heap or min heap. So parent of ith node is always I by 2, floor function of I by 2, except what? Root node, because root node is not having any parent, because we are always tree starts from root node. And left child and right child is ith node, is left child is 2 into I and right child of ith node is 2 into I plus 1. Okay, so let us see the heapify algorithm. Heapify algorithm is very important algorithm, which is very must in heap sort algorithm. सो व्हाट इज हीपीफाई एल्गोरिथम? हीपीफाई मतलब हमें किसी पर्टिकुलर नोड पे चेक करना है कि वो नोड प्रॉपर हीप है या नहीं है. ठीक है, मैक्स हीप है या नहीं है. ठीक है, लाइक दिस. तो उस केस के लिए लेट अस टेक वन एग्जांपल. सो ये एक एरे ए गिवन है और आई गिवन है जिस नोड पे हमें चेक करना है. सो ith नोड गिवन है ना. तो उसका लार्जेस्ट हमने क्या अज्यूम किया? लेट अस सपोज मैक्स हीप हम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, तो लार्जेस्ट हमने मान लिया कि ith नोड जो है वही लार्जेस्ट है अभी. तो उस ith नोड का लेफ्ट क्या होगा? 2 इंटू आई. राइट क्या होगा? 2. सो दिस इज द लेफ्ट नोड, लेफ्ट ऑफ आई, एंड दिस इज द राइट ऑफ ith, and this is the left of ith. Okay, now what will be this case? This case is if A of L is greater than A of R. So this may be, so this case may be the case that it is what, 10, it is 20. Okay, so if left is greater than largest, so initially largest is what in our case? Largest, we are assuming this is the ith node. Ith. So what is the largest? Largest value is what, this I. Okay, or other way you can take it as some indexes. Let us suppose this is 1, this is 2. So what is the largest value? So largest value just assumed as I. So largest is greater than what? Your ith is greater than left. Left side is greater than I. So largest, what will be the largest? Largest will be your L, that is 2. So 2 will be your largest. Okay. So 2 will be your largest in this case. And next we are checking. So second case, let us take second case also. So this case, let us suppose this is 10, this is 20, and this is what, 30. So this is I guess. Indexes, what are the indexes? Indexes are, let us suppose this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, now what is largest? Initially the value of largest is what, 1. Okay, and finally this largest will be 2. Okay, largest will be 2 because A of L is greater than left side is greater than its ith node, so largest will be 2. Now right or largest को check किया, so right is what A of R means A of 3 is 30. So largest हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? Largest change हो जाएगा, modify हो जाएगा R. So now the largest is what? R means 3. Okay, now A of R और A of हमें I को interchange करना है. So what is A of R? A of R means A of right always, है ना? So this 30 and this 10 will be interchanged. So 30 will be here and 10 will be here. Okay, so that is the meaning of heapify algorithm. So heapify algorithm हम किसी भी नोड पे लगाएंगे, किसी भी मैक्सिप और मिनहीप के, मैक्सिप के अगर हम नोड पे अगर हम हेपीफाई एल्गोरिथम यूज कर रहे हैं तो वो उसके लेफ्ट और राइट को चेक करेगा, सिंपली वो इंटरचेंज करने का काम करेगा। वो नोड को कंपेयर करेगा लेफ्ट से और राइट से, और जो भी उनमें लार्जेस्ट वैल्यू होगी उसको रूट से क्या कर देगा, इंटरचेंज कर देगा। ओके, सिंपली, है ना? सो एज सिंपल एज दैट। सो ये कांस्टेंट टाइम लग रहा है ना, बट जो एडजस्टमेंट होगा उसमें दैट विल टेक व्हाट, लॉग एन टाइम। So heap sort is what, in place sorting technique. Why it is in place sorting technique? So I will show you later on. It is in place sorting technique because everything is going within array. So that's why in place sorting technique. And so all these things are in a single array. We are not taking any extra space. That's why it is what, we can say it is in place sorting technique. So finally, we are at the end of this lecture, and the remaining part of heap sort algorithm and some questions and some analysis of the algorithm and a different method, that is built heap method, which will take less time as compared to this particular creation of heap. So we see in this lecture that if we create a heap with n keys, so it will take n log n time, because one time log n, second time log n, up to n time n log n. Okay, so it is n log n time. But there's one more algorithm, that is built heap, so which will take order of n times. So that is far better than this. So because n log n and order of n, so order of n is efficient time algorithm. So we will see in next lecture and also see some problems related to that, and analysis of this heap sort algorithm finally, okay, with its steps. So happy learning to all of you. Stay safe, be connected.